Hey Mom and Dad! This month in Advisory, we have been talking all about developing healthy habits. Here are some things that you can do to help me make those things part of my regular routine, so I will be more likely to do them the rest of my life.
Rest. Did you know that 12 to 18-year-olds need between 8 and 10 hours of sleep a night? You can help me get the right amount of sleep by encouraging me to start homework early in the evening, helping me to shoot for a regular bedtime, and making sure that I turn off technology at least an hour before I go to bed.
Fruits and veggies. Encourage me to eat healthy by stocking the house with lots of produce in a variety of colors. Teach me to fill half of my plate with fruits and vegetables at every meal. This will power my body with foods and make me feel great.
Exercise. Help me to find physical activities that I love to do. Talk to me about how exercise supports my mental and physical health. Not only is it good for my heart, my muscles, but exercise helps me sleep better, manage stress, and feel happier. So, let's walk the dog, go for a swim, jump on the trampoline, or go sledding. I know I'm not always excited about exercising, so making it fun will help.
Stress. What do you do when life feels out of control? Do you exercise, meditate, play music, or dance around? Help me to find what works for me. Notice when I am stressed. Talk with me about why, and help me figure out what I can do to feel better.
No chemicals. Remind me that my brain is still developing and that I need to be careful about putting things into my body that could affect that. My lungs are made to breathe air and my mind is meant to think clearly. Drugs and alcohol get in the way of my body and mind doing all of the amazing things they were built to do. I need to make choices that fit with the healthy, long life that I want to live.
Thanks Mom and Dad for loving me and showing me how to live a healthy life. Remind me that every day is another chance to get stronger, eat better, live healthier, and be the best version of myself.